It's already recording?
Yes, it is.
Oh, fuck. Alright, guys. I'm going to leave it simple and stupid. Here we go. Chocolate brownie butter cake. Say it with me. Say it again. Hi, I'm Robert, and we're going to get started on this chocolate and butter cake. Quarter cup flour, quarter cup brown sugar, 1 turkey leg, okay, 1 chicken egg, half a stick of butter, quarter cup, 5 ounces of Ghirardelli, 60% cocoa, buttersweet chocolate. Use high quality chocolate. All right, put a little water in a pot. It's hot, be careful. Ow, ow. Bowl that mixes it. Butter. Broken chocolate. What the heck? 5 ounces. Broken chocolate, melted butter, leave it on there till your chocolate softens. Put saran wrap on it so it melts faster. Remember how Mom used to always say these? Butter papers. Have a pack of them in the freezer. Prepare your pan. Okay, so let's get started. We've got our 4x8 pan already greased. We've got our chocolate and butter melted. Take a spoon, stir this up. Now let this cool just a little bit before you add the rest of the ingredients. Let's add our brown sugar. One egg, quarter cup of flour, just a pinch of salt. Nice consistency. We're going to put this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until we have a nice brownie consistency. This is a 2-part baked cake. You want to fold in this flour and chocolate in together so you get a nice consistency such as this. Spatula. Spread this out. 350 degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. 350 degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll check it. Stick around. Great things are getting ready to happen. Alright, for our butter cake recipe ingredients, 1 stick of butter, granulated sugar, 1/2 cup, 2 eggs, 1 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, pinch of salt, and 3.5 tablespoons of milk. Alright, let's get started. First step is we're going to take our butter and our sugar, beat these together. Usually like to use a mixer, but I'm going to do this by hand. So we're going to cream our butter and our sugar, like so. As we start creaming, we'll add in 1 egg at a time. About 3 tablespoons of milk. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. I'm going to add 1/2 tablespoon of milk. Now it's that simple, that easy, guys. It's not hard to do. And this is going to be a very elegant, decadent cake. Really good with coffee. Simple and easy for when guests come. Something you can whip together within minutes and have it ready. I am going to pan spray this again, just the sides, so we don't have any stickers. We'll take our cake, put on top of our brownie, clean out the bowl. It's that simple, guys. I'm gonna put this in the oven, and we're going to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to put this in the oven right now, and then we'll see you when it's done. And that's what you call love and goodness. Remember, we're in this battle together. God bless you guys. God bless your family. Stay strong, and we'll get through this.